It's Batista.
The following contest is a triple threat Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring from Washington, D.C., weighing in at 290 pounds, the Animal, Batista!
The Animal, 6'6", 290 pounds, the personification of unbridled power.
Batista has torn through the competition and always gets what he wants.
Unparalleled success, both in the ring and in Hollywood.
Which is insane, because for some reason, the WWE Universe has never appreciated Batista quite enough.
Well, no question about it, Batista will demand the respect of the WWE Universe right here tonight. The WWE Universe is on their feet.
Showing respect for the game. The cerebral assassin.
Few men have ever commanded attention like Triple H.
And his opponents, first from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 255 pounds, the Game, Triple H!
Throughout his career, he has transformed himself into a household name.
That's after results of a career spanning decades of main events and championship reigns.
Triple H has inspired so many modern superstars.
And he can still go toe-to-toe with them.
Take no prisoners in the boardroom or in the ring. That's the mantra of Triple H.
A man who possesses the singular driving focus to be the absolute best in his career and life.
And knowing that makes him an extremely difficult opponent to prepare for.
The game is about to begin.
And
WWE Universe knuckle up. Here
weighing
comes
in
Big
at
Evil.
305 pounds, the Undertaker!
Taking souls and digging holes, Big Evil has arrived. The dead man's opponent is about to fight for his life.
Yeah, the dead man loves to dish out punishment, and I'm sure tonight will be no different.
Time for the ever-chaotic Extreme Rules match here, where lawlessness reigns supreme. All set for competition in this one, and kicking it off, we see Batista, Triple H, and Undertaker.
And in an Extreme Rules match, the only limit is your imagination. Who knows what these competitors will cook up for us tonight?
Look at the power. Oklahoma slam.
Implanted by the DDT.
Running interference. And he was ready for Undertaker.
Quick exchange of counters there.
Uh-oh.
Makes him pay with a counter. Face buster. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Turning the tables. Reversal by the Undertaker.
Brought down with a neck breaker.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch.
Triple H grabbing a weapon he knows all too well.
The dreaded sledgehammer.
This one is headed outside, guys. Got to find a way to get out of this. Oh, God, face first. Corey, what are the perils of this match that superstars must be concerned with?
Now, this is the type of setting where you...
Oh, no. Now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver.
He has a... And delivers the... Oh, right there, elbow. And gets out of it.
Looking for something, anything under the ring.
Any chance the table will be set up for a lovely spread? Never mind, that never happens. Someone is likely going through it.
Climbs back inside.
I guess he thinks the one thing missing in this match is a steel chair.
That kick will stop you in your tracks. Boom! Did you hear the impact?
And now I see some blood on the Undertaker's face.
He's getting a little battered now.
Yeah, an example of disparity between a high-level Triple H and his opponent.
No! Throwing those steps with such disregard for their opponent.
Spinning side slam. And he sends him into the corner. Boom! What a right. No, not pretty. And he has answers for Batista.
Two-handed.
Oh, elbow right to the breadbasket for their troubles.
Broken up with a savage headbutt.
Oh, brutal forearm.
Stomping. Ouch.
Undertaker dealing with some repercussions there.
Part of the territory when you're in an Extreme Rules match, Cole.
Thundering offense from the animal.
Batista's imposing a dominance over the Undertaker. Into a power slam.
Being able to put... And he could have had a 3 count in hand. I've got to question this decision.
He's turning the tables.
Locks in the gut wrench.
Suplex.
He's got the target acquired. Just a matter of moments.
Spear by Batista.
Unbridled power by the animal. Triple H is in a bad way here. And Batista is revving this crowd up.
He gets back into the ring.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Oh, what's he thinking here, Byron?
He's got him on that bridge for something. Shot to the gut will...
Batista with a patented Batista bomb.
End of the line for the game.
2. Oh, not yet. They just got the shoulder up.
Unbelievable resilience and resolve from Triple H. The game is still in this.
Kicking out of that is only going to piss off Batista even more, and that's not something I'd recommend.
Watch out. There's a seat for your face.
His defenses have fallen, and soon he may too.
Maybe just stay down, man. You've done enough.
Here's the cover. Interesting decision here, Corey.
I don't know. I kind of like it. He clearly wants to inflict some more punishment.
Oof, taking a rough hit from a thrown trash can.
Veteran instincts from Triple H.
Oh, diamond-plated steel coming at you.
You have to respect these men for taking it to the next level. This one's becoming too close to call.
It's hard to predict how this one will end. Oh, big thud coming from the steel trash can.
And we just saw some serious offense. Oh, sharp knee. And there's the cover. And he fights it off.
Getting dangerously close to ending it all there.
A mat slam with some attitude.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
With the damage sustained by Undertaker, he could be on his way out.
And this is, well, it's not looking good.
Setting up. All the way out. Suplex.
Uh-oh.
Telegraphed that one and delivers a blow to the gut.
Counters right into the swift chop block.
Ooh, you go up, you have to come down. Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
Oh, the double axe handle.
Incredible height. The dead man has him up.
And down with the tombstone. What devastation from the Undertaker.
Got him set up. This could be it, Corey.
Batista bomb.
Crucial moment for the Undertaker.
There's two. Oh, he was almost finished.
Oh my goodness. The dead man lives on. He's still in this.
And for all the power that Batista possesses, he just could not keep him down for three. And it could be over here.
This is it.
Unbelievable display of will in the late stages of this matchup.
He avoids the damage.
And this match will head back to the ring.
Oh, didn't see that one coming.
Oh my gosh, what impact.
Taking it outside the ring now.
Down to opponent and a double axe handle smash. Delivered into the barricade.
A nice shot by the Undertaker.
Now one of the best strikers in the business.
Put into the corner now.
Gets taken down and wasn't expecting it.
Whoa, they just chucked that hammer right at him. The cerebral assassin showing how he earned the name, working his way into an opponent's head. 300-pound running DDT.
Big forearm.
He steps foot in the ring again. Jumping face buster.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
Oh, turns the hammer into a projectile and nails it.
Batista bomb.
Going to the well again. Will it? I question every bit of that decision, Cole. It looked to me like he had him.
So confident is Batista. He thinks he's got this one all sewed up. The WWE Universe is absolutely on fire right now.
I can barely hear you, Byron. I'm loving this.
One wicked attack after after another.
Uh-oh, he's searching for something.
This is the only time anyone gets excited about garbage, when a steel trash can gets involved with a fight.
He'll head to the ring.
Clothesline!
Off with their head. The game getting picked apart here.
The game needs to pull a trick from his sleeve.
That should strike fear in your opponent. Oh, a sledgehammer to the midsection will knock the wind out of you. And each of these lethal maneuvers have got to be taking a toll. Oh, man. These are the kind of attacks that completely throw off your equilibrium. Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Elbow drop. Piercing. He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
And Undertaker barely escapes the pin.
The muscle memory's got to be taken over now. Pure instinct to kick out before 3. Uh-oh, captured.
Ooh, face buster by the game.
Both arms hooked.
Pedigree. Wow, Triple H got it.
This could do it. And he breaks up the count.
Draped across the top rope.
Undertaker, the power of the Phenom has him up high into the last ride.
That can finish Batista off. Boom!
And a big boot.
The entire WWE Universe is on their feet.
An absolute barn burner.
Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
It's hard to watch, too.
Oh, the death lock applied. Submission move.
This is how you punish your opponent.
Oh. Down to opponent and a double axe handle smash.
And he keeps his focus on an attack to that area. Slips out of the way.
Oh, bang! Fishing for something beneath the ring. Returning to the ring now.
If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
Face buster plants him. He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Got it. Seize the opportunity in this triple threat match. A lot of action in that match. Let's have a look.
Here is your winner, the Animal, Batista!
Impressively withstanding the onslaught of the two other superstars to stand tall and have their arm raised here and now.
Yeah, it may sound cliche, but you have to keep your head on a swivel in a match like this. And our winner did just that.